Hello, lovely people. I hope you're having a good day. My name is Chitra, and you're listening to Hello, Educator. Have you noticed the different sounds that are produced when you tap or knock or fling a stone to the ground? Today, storyteller Deepa takes us on a trip to the park where Diya is trying out a fun experiment. Remember to listen till the end and answer the question at the end of the episode. This story is especially for our youngest listeners, so make sure you listen to it or share it with the little ones in your home.
Hello, Mango Radio listeners. Today I have a very short story for you. Surya and Diya were tired running around and decided to take a break. So Surya went home and Diya went to sit in her favorite spot on top of the slide. The slide in their building was located under a teak wood tree and was always shady. So Diya loved the spot for she could observe the squirrels running around the high branches of this tree. It was fun to watch the squirrels, and she was doing that when suddenly, tung, something struck her head. It hurt a little bit. She looked around and she found that it was a seed from the tree. It was a full, dull green, neat little round seed. So she picked it up and lazily threw it down the slide, and the seed rolled down with a clattering noise. "Hey, what are you doing?" called out a voice. It was Samir. He was coming up the slide. "Samir, fetch me a few stones from the mud and come, no?" said Diya. She liked the clattering noise made by the seed and wanted to make the noise again. Since there were no more seeds to throw, she decided to use stones. Samir brought a handful of stones and Diya began throwing them down the slide one by one. Samir sat back with his eyes closed, listening to the noise. He heard clattering sometimes, while he just heard a zzz sound at others. So he was curious, what was causing this change of sound? So Samir opened his eyes and watched Diya. As she threw, he noticed that stones of one particular shape rolled down the slide, making clattering noise, while stones of another shape slid down with a zip sound. Interesting, isn't it? So I have just one question for today, Mango Radio listeners. You can answer this question after you do the same experiment as Diya and Samir. The question is this: what was common between the stones that rolled down the slide and the stones that slid down the slide? Can you find out and tell me? Okay, thank you for listening. Bye.
Wasn't that a wonderful story? We have lots more of such stories and amazing activities for kids at Mango Science at Home Club, a learning platform for 5 to 7-year-olds mentored by us and facilitated by you, the parent. Head to our website for more details and let us know if you have any queries. To receive your daily dose of science stories, don't forget to subscribe to Mango Science Radio. We welcome stories from across the globe, so if you're a science enthusiast and would like to contribute to Mango Science Radio, please WhatsApp us at 99522 43541. Your feedback is valuable and keeps us motivated, so feel free to share your views in the form of an audio message on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Educator. Remember to tune in for the next episode.